Hi there, students. Domino, or the domino effect. Let's see, I'm sure you all know the game of dominoes, where you've got these little tiles with spots on, and you have to join them together and you play with other people. But, well, that's just the game. But we have the domino effect, the domino theory. Okay, so if something dominoes, you have a row of dominoes. You stand them up one next to the other, next to the other, next to the other. And if you knock the first one over, it knocks the second, which knocks the third, which knocks the fourth. And we use this domino effect to talk about a situation which affects a series of additional events. So, I don't know, for example, the assassination of Archduke Ferdinand dominoed into the First World War. Yeah? Let's see. Politically, I think that the Vietnam War was about this: that if South Vietnam fell to the communists, then next would come Cambodia and Laos, yeah, and other Southeast Asian countries, yeah. But so a domino effect. This is one thing affects another, affects another, affects another. So the start of a war has a domino effect. So the war starts and people start fighting, but people become much more nervous, so they spend less money. So the economy gets worse. So and there is more unemployment, and the start of the war has a domino effect. It's like a row of dominoes where the first one falls and it hits the next one, yeah, which hits the next one, which hits the next one. Yeah, so you can use this verb to domino into something. So the initial effect dominoes into many other things. Yeah, and you have a whole series of side effects. I'm thinking about the butterfly effect as well, where a butterfly beating its wing causes a huge storm somewhere thousands of miles away. Yeah, well, this is the same as the domino effect. The movement of the butterfly's wing causes a small wind here, which causes another wind here, which causes another wind here. And this is the idea. This is your line of dominoes falling down. Yeah, one after another after another. Yeah, so one event causes another event, which causes another, and this is the domino effect. I think, for example, if you catch a train or an aeroplane, if it's delayed by a little bit, this causes a domino effect. It's a knock-on effect, because for example, the train, if it leaves half an hour late, then it's not programmed into the system, so when it gets to a certain junction it has to wait, and if it had been on time it would have gone straight through the junction. Yeah, and there is a domino effect. Yeah, or the train arrives late, which means that you can't catch your connection with the next train, and this is the idea of the domino effect. It's a knock-on effect. Let's see, to concatenate. This is where I actually decided to make this video. I made a video about concatenation, and I realized that I didn't have a video covering the domino effect. So it's a knock-on effect. It's where a chain of events, one happens and then the next and then the next and then the next. Okay, so dominoes. What about the origin of domino? I'm not actually sure where it comes from. Well, maybe it comes from Latin dominus, meaning the master. I guess the master is the person who wins the game of dominoes, I suppose. Formality, domino effect. This dominoed into something much more serious. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. I'm inclining to slightly informal, but I think 5 in formality. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Domino effect.